In a profound tale of wisdom and divine knowledge, the story of Prophet Musa and Prophet Khidr offers deep insights into the unseen workings of the universe. Prophet Musa, known for his leadership and miracles, sought knowledge beyond his understanding. He was guided to meet Prophet Khizar, a wise man with knowledge directly from Allah. Their journey began with Musa's eagerness to learn from Khidr. Despite Khidr's warning that Musa might not comprehend his actions, Musa insisted on accompanying him, promising patience. As they embarked on their journey, they boarded a boat. Khidr damaged the boat, much to Musa's shock. Next, they encountered a young boy. Khidr took the boy's life, which horrified Musa. Their final encounter involved a collapsing wall in a village where they were denied hospitality. Khidr repaired the wall without payment, prompting another question from Musa. Through these acts, Khidr demonstrated the deeper wisdom and divine purposes that often lie beyond human understanding. He revealed that his actions, though seemingly unjust, were guided by divine wisdom. The story of Prophet Musa and Prophet Khidr teaches us about patience, humility, and the acceptance of divine wisdom. It reminds us that the workings of the universe are often beyond our comprehension, and trust in divine wisdom is paramount.